Hi guys, and as you can see just there, you've got the 128 going round. I have now completed the full loop, so in this video you will see that. I've got a camera on top at the moment, but I'm not sure how well that's going to turn out. I'll also run you through all the other bits and pieces that we got working, but yeah, the main thing is the layout's now got one loop, so I've just got to work on the passing loops next and the extension, and we're all good to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the website in the description. Right, so while it's daylight, I thought I'd show you a little bit better as to what this sort of bee house is made of. I'm not going to take any credit for it really, because it's actually my dad who put most of this together. But obviously I did all the wiring side of it and the bits down here. But basically it's a, you see the 4 magnets there? That's what holds the door on. There's some tubes at the top. As you can see, we've got a fair amount of bee activity here. Let's say that. One decides to fly past. And I've got this decoder which was recommended to me on Facebook for all the signals. You can use it for you can use it for any accessory, I believe, but I've set the decoder up to run signals. So I've got this one here, which I've just got a weighted lid on it just to protect it when I'm not using it from the elements. So those are those wires on the left and the right there, and the ones in the middle here, these two go up to the lighting strip in the back, which you will have seen in the nighttime shots. The house itself is actually sitting on 4 posts that have been hammered into the ground. There's literally no movement at all in it, which is brilliant. And obviously this area here, what we've done here with all the various sizes, for this piece of wood, we've tried to work out what the bees would like the most. So we've done, I think, from 4 to 12 mil holes, just to work out which ones the bees will go for. And then obviously got all the bamboo sticks, you know, the beanpole sticks up the top here. So yeah, hopefully they make use of them in the next bee season. And as you can see there is a screw just there, so if you unscrew that, this whole decoder board slides out. The 2 cables of the 3 pair cables and that black and red wire there, come out here under the ground to this one, to the junction box, and then down to that signal there. And I plan to run the cables to the station for the station signals from here as well. The reason this box is sitting so far back as well is, as you know, there is the passing loop which actually goes past the beehives, the bee houses in front of this. So we've just left enough room really, once we've got a retaining wall in here, to move off from this point here down and past the bee houses and join back on just there. The bee house roof has also got the some roofing fountain top, again just to protect it from the weather, so the decoder in here will be nice and safe. And the outside's also got a coating of this paint that we use for exterior gates and stuff. So yeah, this should really stand the test of time, hopefully. As you would have seen in some of the other clips, the loop is now completed. This was the last bit I had left to do from the previous update. And as you can see, while it looks like it's slowly inclining, this is actually almost level from here to here. I think there's only a centimetre drop from these 2 points. But yeah, this is where I was here, and now we've got it looped around the whole way. The wiring, as you can see, also runs around the inside of here. That's the 3 pair that I'm using for the droppers, and straight into this wagon junction box, which yeah, you can see both wires are coming in, which means I've now got a full loop of current both ways. So if there is a break in it one side, the power will get to it the other way. Just worth pointing out with the decoder as well, when I got it, it didn't actually come with any instructions, but if you go online you can find a online manual. So originally when you get this, it's preset to run the 16-volt points or throw switches, and if you change, I think it's CV47 or 49, one of the two. Actually, I'm not entirely sure, but it's on the manual. You can change it to customise what you would like all these ports to do. So I think this was set to number 2, which I believe's all 8 of them for signals. I set the decoder to 50, the same as you would with the loco, and then you just, on the Digitrax controller anyway, you just click accessory function and then choose a number between the 1 and 8 to throw or close the switches. So yeah, not much has changed over on the station side of things. As you can see, they're the 2 Lima wagons I was talking about. Not particularly sure why these 2 in different liveries, but they're only about £10–15 each on eBay. This one down here is a 5-plank kit built wagon. I didn't build it, but it is a kit, and I've just filled that with some slates to weigh it down, and a bit of an unconventional coupling method there. But I bought some other wagons out as well to try and give them a test run. And we've got the 128 here as well. But yeah, station wise, I still need to wait for the 2 signals to arrive for each end to go into the... You who wanted to know about the cleaning wagon we put together, as I said on the stream, it was very basic. But as you see here, the 33, it's just an old Lima wagon. And then inside here, you've got a T-shaped piece of wood. And this front piece here is tight with the end of the wagon. On there you've then got a hinge and some wheel balancing weights that you use to weigh down wagons and stuff. Then a sponge attached to the bottom, and this is soaked in IPA. And pretty much this runs around the layout. You can take this out, as you can see. It's cleaning the track, and that's been running for about... And as you can see there, it's been cleaning the track, and if I that's still wet, and that's been running for about 40 minutes. So so yeah, this can be put in any of these Lima wagons. Obviously, if you want to put it in something different, you just cut the length back, and to change the sponge, it's just on a washer and a screw. So yeah, quite a simple task. Let's put that in there, put that back on the track, and it's good to go.